Hola, amigos. Welcome to a short episode of Keyframers. It's not really an episode, just kind of an update. We wanted to let you know that the merch store has launched. We've been working really hard behind the scenes, creating 6 awesome designs, and we're really happy with how they've turned out. And you can check them out right now at keyframe.rs/merch. That's keyframe.rs/merch. And that'll get you to the store where you can check out all 6 designs and place some orders. Today is actually Cyber Monday when I'm recording this, so you can get a special deal on all that. So normally t-shirts are $25. Right now they're $19.95, so you might want to place an order really quick. And if you're a patron, patreon.com/keyframers, you can actually get the shirts for $15 on this sale. So get out there and pledge and then save on some merch. I'm actually wearing one of them right now, and the green screen is freaking out about it. But this is Boolean Buddies, just like the intro of the show every week. And it's super great printing, super great material. They're so soft and just really high quality. You really don't want to miss out on these. We have several other designs too. I'm sure I'm showing some on the screen right now. But the Keyframers logo one, this was a prototype. The new one has the actual like K diamond on there. And one of my personal favorites, retro JavaScript. These are all just super cool, super high quality shirts that you wanna check out. There's a few other options in there as well if you want stickers or phone cases. There's a lot of options, and shirts for men, women, children, babies. There's really a lot of cool options that you can check out. And if you order quickly while it's Cyber Monday, then you can save a good amount. But we appreciate you checking that out. Keyframe.rs/merch. And we appreciate your support of the show. So get out there, sport some Keyframer merch, and if you do buy something and wear it or hang it up or put it on your phone, whatever, send us a photo of that. You can tweet us at Keyframers, and then use the hashtag KeyframeMerch. Keyframers and merch just kind of merged together. Anyway, but yeah, we appreciate y'all. Thank you so much, and we'll be back with the regular stream soon. So.